Video number 4. How to set up your Google My Business. Google My Business (GMB) is an essential marketing tool for any brand. Through GMB, you can update your business information on Google, appear on Google Maps, allow customers to make reservations, get directions to, or directly call your locations, and engage with existing and potential customers through their Google reviews. In this video, we discuss how to set up your GMB account easily and get higher rankings. Set up your Google My Business. Adding your business locations to Google My Business is more complicated than just entering your name, address, and phone number. You'll often need to claim a pre-existing listing, verify your information, and choose the correct attributes for your listing. To do so, follow these steps. Google My Business Login. Visit business.google.com to sign in or create a Google account for a business. Once logged in, Google will ask, "What's the name of your business?" You can search for a listing by typing the business name and address in the search box. Results will appear in a list as well as on the map. Claim your business on Google. To claim your business on Google, click on Add Location on the Manage Locations page. Google will ask you for the name of your business. Type its name on the search bar and click on the correct name if it appears on the drop-down list. If none of the results match your business, click the top of the list where it says Create a business with this name. You will then choose the business type, storefront, restaurant, hotels, etc., service area, taxi, delivery, etc., or brand, products, brands, causes, etc. Google My Business categories. If you're creating or adding your business to Google using Google My Business, you can choose from a list of categories to provide more accurate information about your business. For example, if you run Taco Bell's marketing, you can, perhaps optimistically, put your business in the Mexican restaurant category. Categories are very specific. You can drill down into subgenres like Tex-Mex, or be as broad as possible by simply listing fast food restaurant. If you manage a brand, Google recommends that all your categories be consistent across all your locations. So every Taco Bell is categorized as a Mexican restaurant and every McDonald's is a fast food restaurant. Once you've created your listing, you can always go back and edit your GMB categories. Click into that location or location group, then click on Info on the left menu. Once you see the details for that listing, click the pencil to edit, delete, or add Google My Business categories. For business locations with multiple categories and departments. For organizations with multiple locations, Google only allows you to have one primary category for each location. However, there are some slight exceptions. For example, if you manage marketing for a chain of grocery stores, you can list your grocery stores and the pharmacy inside them as two separate listings, each with its own primary categories. Check out this example from Costco. Verify business on Google. The next step is using the Google Verify My Business feature. You'll have to verify to Google that you own or represent the business listing. Typically, the verification code will be mailed to you. Yes, snail mail. This takes 1 to 2 weeks. Once you've entered the code into your account, you'll finally be able to start managing your local business information on Google. You can verify a business on GMB in other ways: email, phone, and Google Search Console, but these are usually not available. If you do see a phone icon and an option to verify by phone, Google recommends you choose that over a postcard because it is so much faster. Option 1. Verify My Business by mail. The most common way to get a business verified is through the mail. Google will send you a postcard with the verification code attached to it. In your GMB account, click on the Verify Now option after clicking on a business listing. At the postcard request screen, check and make sure that the listed address is correct. You can also request a postcard through the GMB app by tapping the Send Postcard button. Wait patiently. The postcard takes about 2 weeks to arrive, and it's important not to change any information during this time. Doing so will only delay the verification process. Once you have the code, you can go into the GMB account. Click on the business location you want to verify and hit the Verify Location button in the menu or the Verify Now option. Enter the 5-digit code and hit Submit to finish the process. Option 2. Verify my business by email. Sign in to GMB and choose a specific location. Click on the Verify button and select Email as a verification method. You should see a message in your inbox that contains a code. You can enter that code in the GMB dashboard. Click the Verify button in the email message. Option 3. Verify my business by phone. Verifying by phone can be available if you click on your phone number after hitting the Verify button. A call will come through your phone, and you will need to listen for the automated voice system. The system will then give you a code, which you will have to enter in the code field. On the app, all you must do is tap the Call Me Now option and enter the code from the automated voice system. Option 4. Verify my business instantly. Those already using Google Search Console for a business may qualify for instant verification. Just make sure that the email used for the GMB account is the same as the one used to verify the listing on Search Console. Please note that all businesses on Search Console might not be eligible for instant verification. In this case, the best option is to get a code via mail. Add descriptions to Google Business. Your Google Business description is a summary, up to 750 characters, that appears when a user searches for your local business or checks out your listing on Google via a desktop computer or mobile device. It's usually displayed alongside or underneath your online reviews and ratings on Google, as well as your business review snippets. Review snippets are algorithmically selected quotes from Google users and local guides that provide information on the keywords most mentioned by your reviewers. Here's how business descriptions might appear on desktop computers and mobile devices. To get started with adding your Google My Business descriptions, sign into your account. On your homepage, look for an option to Add Description. Alternatively, you can click on your Info tab on the right and look for the section where you can add your business description. Add your business description, then click Apply. More than 60% of the people searching for businesses on Google are ready to become customers. To make sure you get these consumers through your doors, follow these steps. With it, you can master GMB, make full use of its features, and attract the most customers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.